Hello friends, this is Malhar and welcome back to the channel. Our today's topic is strings in C. I hope you have watched all the previous videos of C tutorial on the DM Talks channel, and if you not watch, please go to the playlist and first watch all the 14 videos, and after that you are able to understand this topic. Now let us see our today's table of content. It is strings in C, declaration of strings, initialization of strings, and a program related to string. So let's start. Before starting with our first topic, that is strings in C, let us see some difference related to string and a character array. The only and the main difference between the string and a character array is that in string we end with the help of null character, and in character array we do not write the null character. And to initialize the string we use double quotation, and for character or character array we use only single quotation to initialize such string. Now it is an important point to remember that when you write any string you should end it with help of null character. Now how to declare the string? So this is the basic prototype through which we can understand how to declare a string. String is a type of character, so the keyword or a variable which we are using is char, then the string name, and size. Here size means number of character. As we all know, in string we have to add one more character which is the null character. Therefore, the size of string array is 1 plus total number of characters in the word. Suppose the word is hello, which is of 5 characters, so the initial size is 5 and one more character, that is null character, so the total size is 6. So here the total size of hello keyword is 6. So for example, we have to create a string such as hello. Then you have to write character str into bracket 6 is equals to double quotation and hello, through which you can declare a string such as hello. Here are some different forms through which you can initialize the string. So as we have taken the example of hello, you can also declare as character, then str, that is the name of the array, and here we have not mentioned the size, so it will directly fetch the size from the declaration, that is hello. So total number of characters is 5 and one more null character, so its size is 6. Where here we have declared a character str and 10, and we have initialized it with the help of hello. Now hello is with 5 character and a null character, so total 6, and another 4 blocks will remain absent. So in another 4 blocks it will fill with the help of null character. After that we can also initialize with the help of this type of declaration, then also by this, in which it will directly fetch the value as 6 because we have written the 6 characters into the curly brackets, and here we mention the size 6, so we can write up to 6 characters. Now let us see how the character array or how the indexes are given to each of the following letters of hello. Here h is given with an index of 0 and null is given as an index of 5 because the total size is 6 and 6 will represent as 0 to 5 in arrays. If you do not know how to initialize the array index, then go to our part 13 through which you can get clear with this point. and these are the addresses which we'll see in a pointer portion of C. Now let us see some examples related to string. So let's start. For the examples related to string, let us first create a string character str with a size 6 and the string is hello followed by semicolon. Let us print, and the access specifier which we are using to print a string is %s and str which is the name of our string. Now let's build and run. So this is our output hello. Now let us see another type of initialization of string array, that is removing by 6, build and run. And now different, that is h comma slash 0 and build and run. So here it is hello. Now what happen if we specify the size of 5, and here we have written the 6 characters which is ending through with the help of null character. Now what is the output? Let us see. So here it is giving us a warning that we are initializing one more character from our size. So our size is 5 and we have initialized 6 characters. Now let's just run it. So it is giving our output as hello, but it is not our desired output because it has some error besides the hello. So we cannot specify the size 5 in a string as it has a null character into it. So these are the examples through which you can initialize your string. Till now, in all the initialization of a string array, we have seen a string without space. Now what happens if we give a space in a string or a character of string? Do it accept the string or a space? Now space, then dm talks. So hello dm talks, and the total number of character is 14, but we have to write the 15 for the last null character. Now let us build it and run. So it can accept the space between the characters. So you can write n number of characters into it, and you have to just specify their size, and or you can take the values from the users. Let us see how to take or fetch the value at a runtime from the users. Now let us see an example to fetch a data of string from the user. For that, let us give the size of 50. Now what is the function to fetch a data from the user? That is scanf, to take the value runtime, and the access specifier for the string is %s and %str. Here and% determines the address of the str string. Now let's build it and run. So we have to write, suppose the string is hello, and it prints our string hello. Now let us do some change. String is equals to, now build and run. Now string is hello, and we can get our string as string equal to hello. So through this method you can get the string from the user. So here we are going to end our video. If you have any doubt related to C, you can comment down freely. Like, share and subscribe the channel to get more informative videos related to programming. So till then, thank you. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.